एकेकाळी पुण्याच्या मध्यभागी महत्त्वाचे स्थान असलेल्या द्वारिका रेस्टॉरंटचे संस्थापक लालजीबाई ठक्कर यांच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाली 1976 मध्ये आहुजा कुटुंबाने दर्शन रेस्टॉरंटची स्थापना केली. दर्शन रेस्टॉरंटने नुकतीच यशस्वीतेची 50 वर्षे पूर्ण केली. त्यानिमित्ताने आहुजा कुटुंबियांनी प्रभात रस्त्यावरील हॉटेल दर्शन येथे कार्यक्रमाचे आयोजन केले. या सोहळ्याचे उद्घाटन सर्व स्टाफच्या हस्ते दीप प्रज्वलन करून करण्यात आले. पार्ट टाइम काम करणाऱ्या युवकांच्या आत्मसन्मानास ठेच लागू नये यासाठी आलेल्या ग्राहकांना या युवकांना वेटर किंवा पोऱ्या न म्हणता बंधू असा उल्लेख करण्याचा नियम होता. आज हेच बंधू वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रात विविध उच्च पदांवर कार्यरत आहेत. या सर्व बंधूंचा विशेष सत्कार या वर्धापन दिनाच्या निमित्ताने करण्यात आला. आज जे पद आहे, प्रतिष्ठा आहे, ती केवळ रेस्टॉरंटचे संस्थापक शीतलजींनी त्या काळी दिलेल्या कामामुळे असल्याची भावना सर्व बंधूंनी यावेळी व्यक्त केली. यशस्वीतेच्या या संपूर्ण प्रवासात शीतलजींच्या अर्धांगिनी लवीनाजी यांची मोलाची साथ लाभली आहे. 2014 पासून दुसरी पिढी कुणाल आणि विशाखा समान उत्कटतेने आणि वचनबद्धतेने हे रेस्टॉरंट चालवत आहे. इथला प्रमुख स्टाफ 10 ते 45 वर्षे जुना आहे. हॉटेलचे व्यवस्थापन कालमानाप्रमाणे बदलत गेले, पण इथे 50 वर्षांपूर्वीपासून येणारे जुने ग्राहक आजही आपल्या कुटुंबियांना घेऊन येतात. तेव्हा घरातील सदस्य असल्यासारखे वाटत असल्याची भावना रेस्टॉरंटचे संस्थापक शीतल आहुजा यांनी व्यक्त केली.
माझं नाव शीतल कुमार आहुजा आणि दर्शनला 50 वर्ष ते हे खूपच इमोशनल आणि मी सगळं जे हे सगळं वातावरण बघून खूप ओव्हरवेल्म्ड आहे. बेसिकली जे सगळा माझा जुना स्टाफ आहे त्यांना मी शोधून जे इथं बंधू काम करायचे, जे स्टुडंट्स होते ज्यांचं एड्युकेशन हेल्डअप होतं फायनान्शियल कंडिशनमुळे, तेव्हा हे आम्ही पार्ट टाईम जॉब द्यायचो, ते जे आज ज्या पोस्टवर पोचले आहेत ते 8 जणं तरी मला भेटली जे इथं आली आणि खूपच आनंद झाला त्यांना बघून की जे इतकं त्यांनी प्रोग्रेस केलं आहे त्यांच्या जीवनात. आणि बेसिक फाउंडेशन एड्युकेशन ते इथनं झालं होतं. बेसिकली कसं होतं, दर्शन एक असेन्शियली एक ज्यूसबार होता फक्त 76 साली, पण ते हळूहळू ते एक आयटम आम्ही वाढवत गेलो. ते फार ऑर्गॅनिक आणि ग्रॅज्युअली वाढलेलं आहे. ते एक आयटम 2 आयटम प्रत्येक वर्षी. आज ते मल्टी कुझिन 150
प्रकाश सोमण 1976 जेव्हा दर्शन सुरू झालं तेव्हा सर्वप्रथम जे विद्यार्थी ते कामाला लागले त्यांच्यातला मी होतो. त्यानंतर त्यावेळेस मी पुणे विद्यापीठामध्ये MA करत होतो फिलॉसॉफी. नंतर SP कॉलेजमध्ये शिकवायला लागलो. आता रिटायर झालेलो आहे. गेली 50 वर्ष दर्शन हे जे फार मोलाची सेवा करत आहे आजच्या काळात. हे जेव्हा बाहेर खाणं हे कमीपणाचं समजत असतं तेव्हा त्यांनी बाहेर चांगलं सात्विक आणि चविष्ट हे कसं खाता येईल हे समाजाला प्रत्यक्ष दाखवून दिलं. आणि याचे संस्थापक जे होते त्यांनी जी मर्यादा आखून दिली त्यातच राहून ते अतिशय उत्तम काम करत आहेत. असंच काम त्यांचं पुढे चालू राहो यासाठी मी माझ्या वतीने आणि आमच्या त्या काळच्या सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांच्या वतीने त्यांना शुभेच्छा देतो. धन्यवाद.
I worked with Darshan beginning 1st of May to end of August 1976, 50 years ago. Some of my friends and colleagues are also present there. My situation or case was slightly different than many others. I had no financial difficulties, but I had a big fight with my father. And my father practically kicked me out of the home. He asked me to just pack a bag with few clothes and just kick me out. And somebody might say that I was arrogant or high-headed, whatever. But I took that challenge. I said, okay, I will survive myself. Don't worry about that. Then I took shelter in a garage, a big-size garage, and I worked here for 3 hours every day. Earned 100 rupees per hour per month. That was a big sum. I'm going to give some comparative statement to you. I used to work between 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock in the evening. Then I would cycle down to Bachai boarding on Tilak Road. Bachai boarding was charging 100 rupees for 2 meals each day, unlimited meals. That was the value of 100 rupees in 1976. I survived because of darshan. Just cannot forget
Wow,
that.
that's amazing. Zordar Talia, please.
You know that fight with father continued for several more months. But in the meantime, what happened? On 1st of September, I was selected by Tata Engineering and Locomotive Company Limited. It was named as Telco during those days. They had a very, what should I say, important or useful full-term apprenticeship program. It was quite coveted during those days. So I was selected for that. They had a hostel facility. They took care of everything. And they trained us and also gave us the employment, down the line. So when I was selected on 1st of September 1976, I joined that company and bade farewell to the team members or colleagues and Sheetal Bhai. And then continued with Tata Motors, earned my living. Then one day my father, contacted
you. Really unbelievable. 50 साल हो गए हैं. I mean, it was like, when I entered Darshan this evening, I thought, yesterday only I worked here for last shift and I went home late and I'm just coming here again back. Anyway, my story is also a bit different, not like Anand. My father actually was of the opinion that after matriculation during those days, he expected me to work somewhere and earn money and then do my college education and all. So I also accepted as a challenge. And so around the same time, there was an advertisement of Darshan that for 3 hours every day work here, but you have to do whatever work which is expected to do, and then earn 100 rupees per month. That was really very attractive proposition. And when I showed that to my father, when I was selected and when I started working here, and when I showed that to my father, he was not able to believe. He said, nobody is going to give you 100 rupees for working just 3 hours every day. And Anand just told about the value of 100 rupees during those days. My college fees was only about 200 rupees per year. And so I was really like, it's a lot of money I am going to earn. Darshan is really great institution. It's paying me so much money and all. And but Darshan really helped me because of certain reasons I couldn't get admission to any proper college as such. And I had to do all my studies up to graduation at BCom externally. So I had little more time. So I started working 2 shifts and started saving money also. And then I fortunately, one fine morning, I got a call from one of the companies in Pune. And I went there for interview. During interview, they said you are selected and you have to start working today itself. And I had keys of Darshan in my pocket. I was supposed to come here at 4 o'clock and open the restaurant. I was so scared. During those, you can imagine, no mobile phones, no way of communication. It was the office was there. Apurdi. I was in Apurdi. So I called up Sheetal Bhai. I told him, and as I remember, Sheetal Bhai used to wake up at around 11 because he used to go home at around 2 o'clock in the morning. So I woke him up and I told him this is what has happened. He said, "Don't worry, you are getting full permanent job. So take care of your job and yourself. I opened it." And as you said. For a few months, I was the one who used to open the restaurant and play that Aarti. And at the end of the day, the last one, there was an LP, like that small record. And the other EP. The other side of that, we used to play at the end of the day. So, and that used to be the indication for all the people working here. Like, go and tell your customers that kitchen is getting closed and you give us a final order. So that was another one.
Thank you so much.